Hey princesses, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna see how to make 5 cute, adorable and cool unicorn school supplies. So first let's make a unicorn pencil box. Take an old geometry box or a tin box and paint or decorate it. Don't forget to add an image of a unicorn. Now let's make a unicorn magnet that can be used along with the unicorn box that we made earlier, which also can be used as an eraser because of the hot glue gun which erases the pencil dust. Take an OHP sheet and trace an unicorn image. Apply some hot glue gun on the top, then cut it. Stick a magnet to the back using a hot glue gun. Now let's make this cute unicorn pencil sharpener. Take a small container and put a hole in it. Paint it white. Decorate it using some paper flowers and a horn using a foil. Glue it. Glue a sharpener inside it. There you go. Next, let's make a unicorn pencil. Take an ordinary pencil and paint it with a sponge. Paint it again with a silver glitter. Glue a pom-pom to its end. There you go, simple and easy. At last, let's make a to-do list for the unicorn box. It is simple but is very efficient. Bye princesses, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment my video. Thank you again. See you later.